Hello everyone. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to install the Chrysalis child theme for Divi. Now before we get started, you'll want to make sure that you've downloaded the Chrysalis child theme zip. And you don't need to unzip it, you can keep it in its zip form. And then the second thing you'll make sure you'll want to do is to have installed Divi and have it active on your installation. Finally, it's just worth noting that installing a child theme with all of the new and exciting options that Chrysalis has is best done on a fresh install. You can and should update it in the future with new packages, but when you're just getting it set up and you want to install all the elements, it's done on a fresh install. If you install Chrysalis on a live install, just note that you may be overriding some of your existing settings, and there'll be time to, you'll have to work out the difference between what you had and what there will be. And so it's best to use a fresh installation. Okay, we're going to start by selecting the Add New Theme option in the under Appearance Themes in your WordPress dashboard. And then we're going to choose the Upload Theme option. Next, we're going to go and we're going to choose the Chrysalis zip file. Once we have the Chrysalis zip file chosen, we're going to choose Install Now. And then after that's done, we're going to choose Activate. Now that we've confirmed that the Chrysalis theme is active, you'll see that you can have a new menu option up here called Chrysalis. And we want to use this option to go to Easy Demo Import. Now, with a fresh install, when you're installing Chrysalis for the first time, it's recommended that you use all of these options, that you have them all checked. They all work together. And if you want to get Chrysalis set up nice and neat, like it is on the demo site, you'll need all of these. And then also there are recommended plugins from the WordPress plugin repository that it will install, advanced custom fields, give WP, user profile picture, the events calendar shortcode and block, and the events calendar. These are all also tightly integrated into Chrysalis. I will note, though, that if you plan on using a different donation plugin or a different events calendar, you should probably still install the plugins just so that you can see how they're set up, but then you can integrate your new plugin into those areas. Finally, I'll note that when you go to update your theme, it's worth paying attention to what's actually been updated in the changelog. Most of the time, you're probably not going to want to include things like menus because it'll override your existing menu choices. And you might not even want to bring in the posts or pages since you've already developed all of your pages. What you do probably want to bring in, though, is all of the Divi theme builder stuff and all of the Divi library layouts. That'll give you the latest layouts so that if you're building a new page or if you want to redo an existing page, the layout will be there in the Divi theme library. All right, we have everything ready to go. When we're done and we're satisfied with our options, we choose Import Demo Content. Be patient here. Depending on the speed of your web hosting, it may take a few minutes for this process to complete. Now, there's one final option I'll show you. It says remove demo content and import functions. What that'll do is that'll get rid of your easy demo import, and will take the files that were used to install all of that import information off your theme. It's up to you whether you want to do that or not. If you update Chrysalis, this will come back and you'll get to use it again with the latest files. Otherwise, if you just want it to go away and you want to make sure that you're not carrying any extra files on your network and saving space, go ahead and choose remove demo content and import functions. All right, finally, let's check out our new homepage. All right, you have Chrysalis set up and ready to go. This concludes the installation walkthrough. Please stay tuned for other walkthroughs as we go through other features in Chrysalis. Thank you.